और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Hello, everybody. A warm welcome back to P10X. 10X your productivity. I'm Antriksh and I am here with another video, and this time it's on another generative platform. Yup, it is Meta's new AnyMal. Yup, you heard it right. We're going to talk all about it. What's happening? What's the big deal about this AnyMal and what is it? How is it different from OpenAI's GPT-4, Llama 2, anything like that, Claude, and everything of those sorts. So we're going to cover it here. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel. So you know what, the world of AI, basically, it's just so revolutionary, and every day on another, like, we're having explorations and breakthroughs, and something is making way with the other, and that is where AnyMal comes through. So basically, I want you to picture this, right? So imagine there's an AI that's just not confined to understanding text. Instead, it can just seamlessly, interpret speech, image, videos, any form of human interaction. It can just interpret, like it's with GPT, how it understands text, right? So this animal, imagine that there's an AI that just understands anything and sort of converts it into text. It doesn't convert it into text, but it almost makes it as simple. So like, you put out a video, it can understand the text in it despite the language, the accent, or whatever, and then it can respond accordingly. That is, so if, imagine, I'm here on the platform and I say, hi, I want to know more about zoos and how lions are kept in zoos. A very basic thing. But I've not typed it, I've just said it out, and it'll actually understand what I was saying and then do it. Same with speech, only my voice will work. With a video thing, one of the great things is that if you're talking about human interaction, this comes into the picture, which is expressions, body language. And if it starts understanding all of that, the horizons are so limitless for AI and any of these platforms, that it is almost spooky but very exciting as to what could there be in store very, very soon. Like, very, very soon. So that's the magic of AnyMal. It's like a beacon in the realm of multimodal learning and stuff like that. So now, of course, there is a question that, like, how is it really different from your GPTs, your llamas, and stuff like that? So, of course, yes, it's rooted in a simple yet profound belief that text is the universal language, right? And it is three core components. So a pre-trained aligner module, a multi-modal instruction set, and the LLM backbone, of course. So AnyMal is then going on and working upon that, and then maybe using text, speech, images, prompts, and then redefining the boundaries of what AI can achieve right now, not even in the future, just right now, because we have seen it in action in bits and pieces, and we here at least B10X are so very excited. But before we go forward, you know what is absolutely custom tailor made for you? Check out the description below and you'll find a course that is absolutely made for you, that'll step up your AI game, your AI tools game, your chat GPT game to the highest extent. And it's being taught by two IIT Kharagpur alumni. So you just can't go wrong for the price less than that of a chai, a cup of tea, which is just 9 rupees. And you only need to invest a couple of hours and you'll be set apart from the rest. So now, going on, let's now come back to the video and delve a bit deeper. So as I said, it basically can convert various signals into a language. So as I said, कि वो basically उठा के उसे text की तरह सबको convert कर देता है now. What I mean by text is maybe a language that AI understands, right? So whatever the instruction set, whatever the guiding force, whatever the customizable dynamic, it just converts it into language that it can understand. And then it uses its LLM brain to then diversify it out, its outputs. It's vast. It uses its vast multimodal data sets and stuff like that. Now, of course, that being said, it's not hunky-dory, it's not a cakewalk, because all of these innovations obviously have their challenges. And AnyMal is, again, it's, I won't say it's in its pre-seed stage or in its upcoming stage. It's well and truly here, to be honest, but it still has its sort of gimmicky, show-offy kind of a lot of things, because there is one AI that can be talked about and there is one AI that can be used. So that is always a challenge, and that is something we saw with Llama 2, with GPT-4, that they were very, very like it was very hard for them to make use of that bridge in a positive way. But they've obviously done that. So yeah, obviously there is room for improvement. There is a sense of uniqueness that still has to be grasped by them. As I said, we've seen a bit of animal in action, and to be honest, results have been nothing short of spectacular, right? Like giving it a photo and just creating absolutely perfect image captions, understanding the whole dynamic of the photos, and making human like speech, lengthy videos. So it's really set the bar high for what AI can achieve, right? And of course, when we talk about AI and how we think maybe the applications are, I think the horizon is just so vast. Like imagine classroom learning. Like how does it change if you can give prompts, if it can understand images and it can teach you and it can speak about images the way it wants. The way we consume entertainment, for an example, like how would we perceive things, how would we ask questions to the entertainment itself, or just maybe healthcare, e-commerce, social media, everything's just going to be probably changed for the good. And yeah, these all are just early signs, and let's see. And again, I won't say these are just possibilities, they probably are realities in the making. So we don't need to sort of think, all right, oh, it's just this and that. No. So yeah. So of course, there are a lot of challenges to it, and there are a lot of rifts with it, and misinformation and intellectual risks and everything. But it's like, as it's like with every AI model, right? As we sort of take take its power, harness its power, we must keep thinking that our guiding force has to be the power that which we want to generate from AnyMal, not the negativities or everything. Of course, there'll be challenges, but hopefully there have been bodies put in proper place to take care of that. So yes, that is something to look out for, because again, when we inform you a lot about all of that, these are things that we should inform about you guys about as well. So yeah, that was a quick roundup about Animal and its probable possibilities, and how we're at B10X very excited about it. And you know what you should be excited about? The link down below, because it's the link that's going to take you to the course, absolutely tailored, customized just for you. It's an AI chat GPT AI tools course that's absolutely going to change your game. It's being taught by two IT Kharagpur alumni, so you can just not go wrong there, at the cost of less than that of a cup of tea, at only for maybe 2 hours or something. And it's absolutely going to put you on the top. So it's a no-brainer to check that out. Do check that out. With that thought in mind, thank you so much to everyone who tuned in. Take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.